Welcome back, scholars. The answers to the matching are as follows. We have dividend. It's the number to be divided by another number under the tabletop. The divisor is the number that divides another number outside the tabletop. And my favorite, of course, is always the answer. That is the quotient. Give you about 3 more seconds to look at it, and then we're going to go on to the next slide. Guys, we're going to be doing this next problem. We're going to take 2 and 3500ths divided by 5. And how are we going to work it out? Well, the first thing that we normally do, if we remember our steps, is to go ahead and set it up as usual. What is the second step? Let me pause here. Excellent. Yes, way to go. The second step is to go ahead and put our decimal. Then we're going to work it out in the normal way. So on this one here, I took the liberty of go ahead and working this out here so that you can see it being worked out. I took 4 times 5 is 20, 35. Take 7 times to go into 35, so it gives me 0. Now sometimes they do want you to put a 0 in front of that. Now remember, always multiply the quotient by the divisor to make sure you get the right answer. That's checking your answers. Let's go to the next one here. I'm going to take you to the flex cam to work this out very quickly. As you can see, I've already worked out the first one. So I know that 3 goes into 6 2 times. But the first thing I have to do is make sure I put my decimal point. Now I put my quotient of 2. That's 6. That's 0. Bring down the 7. 3 goes into 7. I already know 2 times because 6 is the big one here. So I have a remainder of 1. Bring down that 12 all the way down. That 2 makes it 12. 3 goes into 12. 3, 6, I'm skip counting. 9, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 times 4 equals 12. So the 4 goes up here on top. That's 12, and that's 0. So that should be your answer there. How do I check it out very quickly? Multiply it. It's 12. Carry 1. That's 7. 2 times 3 is 6. I have 1, 2 decimal places. Values 1, 2. There you go. 672. They equal. So that's your answer. All right, guys. I'm going to pause here. I want to go ahead and take about a minute or so. About a minute so that you can go ahead and let me know what's the first step, and then if you can give me the answer. Excellent. Yes, guys. Thank you for answering that. Do this very quickly. I'm going to skip count by 4 so I can make sure I have it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 goes into 5 one time. Make sure I put my decimal point. 4, 1. Bring down the 1. So 4 goes into 11, 1, 2 times. So that's 8. And I bring this down all the way to here. Gives me 36. Ooh, I got to go further. So 5 is 20. 6 is 24. 7 is 28. 8 is 32. And 9 is 36. So I know that 9 is going to be my answer here. I get 36. It's 0. Once again, I multiply to make sure I get the right answer. 9 times 4 is 36. Carry 3. That's 8. 11. Carry 1. That's 5. 2 place value digits. 1, 2. And there's my decimal. These 2 equal. That means that I have the correct answer. Guys, I'm going to have some problems for you to do next. Go ahead and go through that. I can go ahead and show you this very quickly. The first one there was 2 and 24 hundredths. And then the second one that we just finished is, make sure you put their decimal. It's 1 and 29/100ths. And now you're going to have 3 drawits. I'm going to give you about, I'm going to say 5 minutes to get that done. We'll be back to check the answers and continue from there. Pausing the video in 3, 2, 1.